Angle grinders are versatile power tools that can handle a variety of projects, such as cutting iron pipe to replace a faulty valve, carving wood to craft furniture, cutting tile for a backsplash, and removing grout from between tiles. Angle grinder is very impotent tools. There are many products available to choose best angle grinder, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DWE402 4.53 Angle Grinder. The DeWalt DWE402 is an impressively powerful 11 amp grinder that will be able to navigate both high volume and precision work with ease. This corded electric tool is compact enough to squeeze into tight spots and even includes a handy dust ejection design that will help the motor hold up over time. Safety is a consideration as well. The handguard rotates completely around the tool to give you complete protection from any sparks or debris that are kicked up while you work. You even get a hard case that will make it safe and easy to transport. In keeping with DeWalt's pattern, this is a pricey tool by angle grinder standards. The high levels of power might also be a little much for beginners. If you aren't well versed with grinders, you may overgrind the workpiece. All in all, this is one of the best 4 and 1/23 angle grinders of this year. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER BDEG 400 Angle Grinder. BLACK+DECKER is always good for a solid deal. That's certainly true in the case of our best for the money pick. The BLACK+DECKER angle grinder tool is not as powerful as many of the other options on our list, but what it lacks in force, it makes up for in value and durability. The handguard can be locked into 3 different positions for optimal protection. The handy metal protection case will make the tool easy to transport and store. It has some natural limitations. Because the power levels are so modest, the motor might break down and stop working if you really put it to the test. It's great for small jobs, but buyers who need a heavy-duty tool should keep looking. To conclude, we think that this is the best angle grinder for the money. Number 3. Makita 9557 PBX141 1/2-inch angle grinder. The Makita 9557 PBX1 is a moderately priced grinder with an extra large wheel that will be perfect for high-volume work. We are particularly partial to the design concept, which features a specialty seal that prevents dust from ever reaching the electrical components. It's also user-friendly. Labyrinth construction seals and protects the motor and bearings from dust and debris for longer tool life. The controls are very simple, and it even includes a lock-on switch that allows you to maintain continuous operation without worrying about working the buttons. The only real downside about this grinder is that it's fairly heavy. The weight of the tool makes it hard to use comfortably for extended periods of time. Still, for occasional use, it's a great grinder available at a reasonable price. Number 4. Bosch 18V Angle Grinder. The compact Bosch 18V angle grinder is made for people who need to get a lot of use out of their tool. It's called an all-day grinder because its electrical components are specifically designed for long-term use. They also have warranty protection, so they should last a long time. For user protection, this cordless grinder was engineered with a tool-less quick-change burst-resistant wheel guard and restart protection to avoid accidental startup. It's even made to be comfortable. The handle is optimized to reduce vibration, and it is also very lightweight, making it easy to use for long periods. However, you'll need a pair of Bosch 18V batteries for uninterrupted use. Unfortunately, those batteries don't come with this purchase, which is why this grinder is so far down the list. Because this is a high-end tool, you will pay a lot for it. Some users have also reported experiencing problems with the handguard being difficult to adjust. Number 5. PorterCable 20V Angle Grinder. One of the most impressive aspects of the PorterCable 20V Max is the housing. The steel case tool is durable enough to stand up to job site wear and tear. This grinder has an ergonomic handle, an adjustable handguard, and a tool-free wheel change that will make it easy to maintain. High-performance motor of angle grinder produces 8,500 RPM for aggressive cutting, removal and finishing. Budget buyers will also appreciate the affordable price. Unfortunately, it's just somewhat lacking when it comes to power. The 20V motor doesn't have enough juice to work with harder woods or tough materials. The steel housing also makes it very heavy, which will be a drag for long-term use.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.